Game day is here, and so are these appetizers. That doesn't mean we need to be big bags about it. It's your girl, Janielle Vittles, and today I'm going to show you how to make 2 different types of zucchini chips and homemade ranch. I'm going to start with 2 cleaned and dried zucchini, well, partially dried zucchini. And then I'm just going to be using the mandolin part here off of my little chopper. So I want very thin slices. So that's why I'm using this, or you can chop, whatever you want to do, but this is the easiest way to have it consistent. Let's take a look and see the size. This is the size that they're going to be. Perfect. I was able to get quite a bit of chips from those 2 zucchini. What I'm going to do first is kind of spread these out a bit. They have a little moisture in them already. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on top and let them sit for about 10 minutes to pull the moisture out, because I want these chips as crispy as possible to actually replicate a chip. So just a little salt I'm going to sprinkle all over. I said a little and it comes out in a heap. Okay, so sprinkle all over like so. Then we're going to let these sit. While we're waiting for a few minutes for our zucchini, we're going to start with making the ranch. I'm going to start with just some basic mayo. Now we'll put accurate measurements in the captions. Right now I'm just doing it to what the spirit is telling me. Next, instead of sour cream, we're going to be using some non-fat Greek yogurt. Next, I'm coming in with some buttermilk. I want a little acidity in this, so I'm going to add just a little juice from some mild banana peppers. Some garlic powder. I have some dried dill weed. If you have it fresh, go ahead. Some freeze-dried chives. Oh, hold on, I don't want to come out. Let me use the big boy. There we go. Okay, don't skimp me. I want to add a little spice to this ranch, so we're going to be using Southwest Chipotle, Mrs. Dash salt-free joint. We're adding some parsley. We are going to add in some kosher salt. This is coarse, so you can put a little smaller if you want. Now we're going to give a mix until well incorporated. Everything is well incorporated. This is our consistency. So we're going to let this sit to the side in the fridge for a bit while we make our chips in the air fryer. All right, 10 minutes have passed. We're going to check back in on our zucchini. And as you can see, that salt pulled the moisture out of all these zucchini. This is why we do this, so we can get our chips as crispy as possible. I'll lift one up so you can see. Okay. Just come in with the paper towel, and we're just going to dab them dry. Okay. Or attempt to. Okay, we're going to be seasoning with 2 different types of flavors. So first I have Southwest Chipotle that I'm just, I'm going to try, I should put the cap back on and sprinkle. Okay, what I'm probably going to do is end up putting this in a bowl and tossing. The next flavor is going to be garlic parm that I'm just going to toss in a bowl to not make a mess. I have my 2 flavors ready to go. Before I put them in the air fryer, I'm just going to sprinkle with I'm just going to drizzle with just a little bit of olive oil over both. Give it a quick mix around. Now we're going to be air frying these. I like this because it has different modes. I'm going to put mine on the fryer mode. So that's going to be about 400. Well, first of all, it would help if I put them in here. So first I'm just going to toss these in. Come on up. And then spread them out so they can kind of get an even cook. We're going to put these bad boys in this air fryer. And I'm going to check on it in about 6 minutes and give it a flip or shake or whatever. Apparently 18 minutes. I'm going to check on it after 9 minutes and give it a shake. Okay, we're about halfway done here. They're definitely drying up here. Okay, we're going to give it a shake. Give it a few more minutes. Okay, the first batch is done. As you can see, they are in chip form. And look how small they have condensed down or shrunk since then, okay? This is one of the chips. Now we're gonna do the other flavor. I got the second batch ready to go in and be air fried. Our game day snack is finished and ready to be consumed. Look how delicious that looks. We gotta do a taste test, of course. Our homemade ranch and chips. What do you think?
10 out of 10.
Thank you. Let's give it a dip. That homemade ranch, okay? Flavor all up and through. Cheers. Baby, stop playing with your girl. Tell everybody we got heat over here.